Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to auto update software and games on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want your Nintendo Switch 2 and your games to update automatically. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, we're going to navigate to where it says System Settings. Next, you want to scroll all the way down and then click on System. And then afterwards, you want to scroll down even more and you're going to find this option that says Software Auto Updates. So you want to make sure that this is automatically toggled on, because if it's toggled off, that means your Switch 2 is not going to update automatically. But with software auto updates, that should automatically update your Switch 2. And just to make sure, you could actually click on System Update if you want to check for any manual updates you might have missed by clicking on this option. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and auto update software and games on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.